Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. D.M. Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the concept from heterocyclic chemistry is a pyridine N oxide. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the preparation of pyridine N oxide as well as different types of reactions of the pyridine N oxides. Friends, we know that pyridine N oxide is a derivative of pyridine, and pyridine molecule is a 6-membered heterocyclic compound with heteroatom nitrogen. Simply by oxidation of pyridine molecule it gives pyridine N oxide, and similar to pyridine N oxide also it gives different types of reactions. See the details about pyridine N oxide. Before starting the pyridine N oxide, it is very important to understand what is actual meaning of heterocyclic compound and heterocyclic chemistry. See shortly, what is meant by heterocyclic compound? It is a simple heterocyclic compounds are the cyclic compounds containing carbon and at least one heteroatom such as nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur in the ring system is called as heterocyclic compound. Means simple alicyclic compound are aromatic compounds in which at least one carbon is replaced by substituted by heteroatom like nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. This compounds is called as heterocyclic compound, and study of such type of compounds is called as heterocyclic chemistry. The different heteroatoms present in heterocyclic compounds. See the examples of heterocyclic compound. Number first is a 5-membered ring. In this 5-membered ring there is a 4 carbon and 1 heteroatom nitrogen. Second, same 5-membered ring, it is a 4 carbon and 1 heteroatom oxygen is a furan molecule. Similar 5-membered ring with 4 carbon and 1 sulfur is a molecule is a thiophene molecule, is a pyridine molecule, then indole molecule, quinoline molecule and isoquinoline molecule. These are the best examples of heterocyclic compound. Okay friends, heterocyclic compounds are very important class of organic chemistry, because many natural products, drugs, dyes etc. contains heterocyclic compound. In pharmaceutical chemistry, any pharmaceutical active molecule, biological active molecule, they carry at least one heterocyclic ring in their structure. That's why heterocyclic chemistry is a very important point in organic chemistry. So basically, the heterocyclic compounds are classified on the basis of number first, number of rings, number second, ring size, number third is a number of heteroatom, and number fourth is a type of heteroatom. See the classification, number of rings, either these heterocyclic compounds contain one ring or two ring is the number first classification. Number second is a ring size, is a 5-membered ring, 4-membered ring, 6-membered ring or 7-membered ring is a second type of classification. Then number third is a number of heteroatoms. Okay, in this 5-membered ring there is only one heteroatom. There is another more examples, they carry two heteroatoms, either same type of heteroatom or different types of heteroatoms. On the basis of these 4 types, the heterocyclic compounds are classified. These are the introductory part of heterocyclic chemistry. Then see the details about pyridine N oxide molecule. Number first is a preparation of pyridine N oxide. Friends, pyridine N oxide is a derivative of pyridine molecule. Simple, the pyridine N oxide can be easily prepared by the oxidation of pyridine in glacial acetic acid by 30% aqueous hydrogen peroxide. See the reaction of this pyridine molecule with hydrogen peroxide in presence of glacial acetic acid means acidic solution of this hydrogen peroxide, it gives finally pyridine N oxide molecule. Second method, same pyridine molecule in presence of this acid molecule, again it gives pyridine N oxide molecule. Simple, see the structure of pyridine, the 6-membered structure in which heteroatom nitrogen, this nitrogen carry one electron pair. And the nature of this electron pair means electron pair of nitrogen is not participate in delocalization, and due to this it shows strong basic character. In presence of this acid molecule or hydrogen peroxide, electron pair of this nitrogen attack to oxygen which is linked with peroxy linkage, and there is a bond formation between nitrogen and oxygen. Loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge, and oxygen with extra electron pair it gains negative charge, and the structure is called as pyridine N oxide. Okay, these are the simple preparation of pyridine N oxide. The next one is what is reactivity of pyridine N oxide. Okay, electron donation of oxygen into the ring increases dipole moment of pyridine N oxide. See the charge separation, loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge, oxygen with negative charge means there is extra electron, and this electron participate in delocalization means electron donation of oxygen into the ring, it increases the dipole moment of this molecule. See the basic difference between the dipole moment of pyridine N oxide and planar pyridine molecule. The dipole moment of pyridine N oxide is a 4.30 and the dipole moment of this pyridine molecule is a 2.23, means the electron donation of this oxygen, dipole moment of this pyridine N oxide molecule increases. Then resonance of this pyridine N oxide, see the negative charge of oxygen participate in delocalization, then shifting of this pi electron towards the second position means second position it gains negative charge, double bond formation between this nitrogen and oxygen. Again this negative charge participate in delocalization, the negative charge to fourth position, same negative charge participate in delocalization, then negative charge to this sixth position, means there is a resonance in resonating structure of this pyridine N oxide, position second, fourth and sixth it gains partial negative charge, means this pyridine N oxide similar to pyridine molecule, pyridine N oxide molecule it gives both electrophilic as well as nucleophilic substitution reaction at second and fourth position. Okay, these are the general reactivity of this pyridine N oxide. See the reactions of pyridine N oxide molecule. Number first reaction is a halogenation reaction. Pyridine N oxide it gives chlorination and bromination. See the halogenation, chlorination of pyridine N oxide with sulfuryl chloride gives a mixture of 2 and 4 chloropyridine in 1:2 ratio. See it gives two products, pyridine N oxide in presence of this sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuryl chloride it acts as a chlorinating agent, and this reaction is an electrophilic substitution type reaction, electrophilic substitution at second position and fourth position, and the ratio of these two product is 1:2, means 2 chloropyridine and 4 chloropyridine. Similar to chlorination, here is a bromination of pyridine N oxide, it gives again 2 bromopyridine N oxide and is a 4 bromopyridine N oxide. These are the simple halogenation reaction of pyridine N oxide molecule and is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Then number second is a nitration. Nitration is also electrophilic substitution reaction. See the details about the nitration of pyridine N oxide. It is a new route for the synthesis of new 4 substituted pyridine molecule, 4-nitropyridine, 4-amidopyridine, which cannot be prepared directly from pyridine. See the drawback, if there is a planar pyridine molecule and the nitration of pyridine is carried out, there is a no formation 4-nitropyridine or 4-amidopyridine, but it is a very unique method for preparation of 4-nitropyridine and 4-amidopyridine molecule. See the pyridine N oxide on nitration with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid gives 4-nitropyridine N oxide molecule. See the reaction is the electrophilic substitution reaction. The nitrating mixture concentrated HNO3 nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, this mixture of acid it gives electrophile NO2. The substitution of electrophile NO2 at fourth position it gives 4-nitropyridine N oxide molecule, and so finally under heating condition in presence of PCl3 and chloroform it gives finally 4-nitropyridine molecule. These are the very unique method for preparation of this 4-nitropyridine molecule, and the reduction of this nitro group it gives finally 4-amidopyridine molecule. Then number third reaction is a reaction with NaNH2 in liquid ammonia, means reaction with strong base soda amide and liquid ammonia. See a reaction of soda amide with liquid ammonia, this reaction is also called a Chichibabin reaction. If this reaction is carried out in presence of pyridine, means pyridine with NaNH2 and liquid ammonia, this reaction is called as Chichibabin reaction. Same pyridine N oxide in presence of this NaNH2 and liquid ammonia, ionization of NaNH2 it gives Na plus and NH2 minus, means it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. And the nucleophilic substitution also takes place at second and fourth position. NH2 attack to this second position, then shifting of pi electron towards the nitrogen. Same there is a substitution of NH2 group at second position as well as fourth position. But substitution at second position is a major product and at fourth position is the minor product, is the number third reaction of pyridine. Next, number fourth reaction of pyridine N oxide is a reaction with N-butyl lithium molecule. See, the pyridine N oxide reacts with N-butyl lithium to give an ion which is very useful intermediate for synthesis of different derivatives of pyridine molecule. See, the ionization of this N-butyl lithium molecule, this butyl group, it gains negative charge and lithium it gains positive charge. This negative charge of this butyl ion abstract proton from the second position, then there is a formation of negative charge, and this negative charge attack to this Li plus means there is a bond formation between carbon and lithium, is also called as organometallic bond. And this organometallic bond means this organometallic intermediate in the presence of carbon dioxide molecule, means this bond is attacked to this carbon, there is a formation of COOH group, means it gives pyridine N oxide 2 carboxylic derivative. Same, this intermediate it reacts with bromine molecule Br2, means this electron pair is attacked to Br, then elimination of Br minus, means there is a bond formation between this carbon and Br, it gives finally 2-bromo-pyridine N oxide molecule. Means this is very useful intermediate for synthesis of different derivatives of pyridine molecule. These are the number fourth reaction. And last, some other reactions of pyridine N oxide, means pyridine N oxide it gives N types of reaction. See, the pyridine N oxide in presence of triphenyl phosphine molecule. Same, alkylation of pyridine N oxide in presence of RCH2X, then O alkylation takes place in presence of base molecule, it gives finally pyridine and aldehyde molecule. Same, pyridine N oxide molecule in presence of nitrating mixture, it gives 4-nitropyridine N oxide. The reduction of this NO2 group, it gives 4-amido-pyridine N oxide molecules. And finally, H2PD means again reduction of this intermediate, means there is conversion of this pyridine N oxide to pyridine molecule, means final product is 4-amido-pyridine molecule. Okay. Then next one is the same sulfonation reaction, is a O sulfonation. Then next one is a acylation reaction. The acylation of this pyridine N oxide takes place at the number second position, means these are the different reactions of pyridine N oxides, means it gives variety of product, it gives variety of derivatives of this pyridine. These are the details about the reactions of pyridine N oxide molecule. Thank you very much.